seamless and subtle, with the ability to almost disappear. But the reimagined Designer Series has nothing to hide. Behind these integrated panels lie ingenuity and foresight, bringing superior preservation and innovation to the heart of your home. The Sub-Zero Designer Series is known for its ability to seamlessly integrate into any kitchen, from traditional to contemporary. And what's inside is nothing short of extraordinary. The new Split Climate Intelligent Cooling System revolutionizes Sub-Zero's already superior preservation capability. A variable speed compressor and 2 fans consistently optimize the temperature within 1 degree of set point. Notice the convenient location of the all-new touch control panel. It's easy to adjust temperature and enhance humidity, so food stays fresher longer. Clear sight LED lighting overhead, under each shelf, and in the crisper drawers fully illuminates the interior, even when the unit is fully stocked. Notice how the undershelf lighting turns off until the shelf is put back in place. And night mode optimizes the interior lighting based on the detected ambient light, reducing the brightness by 90% in dim environments. Flexibility is found in every corner. This flip-up dairy compartment allows more space for taller items. And these adjustable door shelves can be relocated in a snap. In the Designer Series column models, an additional crisper drawer has been added for even greater storage options. Refined stainless interior accents highlight shelves and crisper drawers. And the nano-coated hydrophobic shelves keep spills under control. Wi-Fi connectivity provides alerts and status updates to ensure the appliances perform at their very best. And there's a size and configuration for every space. Sophisticated performance meets limitless design possibilities. Experience the refreshed Designer Series by Sub-Zero.